with simplysimplestamping.com. Thank you for joining me for a 2-Minute Tuesday tip. Hey, not long ago, I shared with you some information about Stampin' Up's brand new Simply Shammy. This is a great cleaning cloth. I've loved mine. What I shared with you is how I keep it here in one of our clear mount stamp cases, how it stays wet. And I wanted you to see this is what a well-loved chamois looks like. And you know what? That's exactly what we're going for. Yeah, it'd be great if it stayed that nice, pretty purple forever. But you know what? It's doing its job when it's like this. But you know what? The other day as I was working, I came across an idea where I was going to buy myself a second chamois, and let me show you what I'm going to do with it. I cut it in half. I know some of you are probably cringing right now. And although I love this great big chamois for when I'm cleaning off my stamps, but you know what? There are times that a smaller chamois was going to come in very handy. One, for travel. We like to go camping, and it's nice to have something a little bit smaller to take with me. I especially love it when I'm using my Stamparatus. So I was working on cards today, and I got some ink here on the side of the Stamparatus. Well, it's nice to have this smaller chamois that I could just come along and clean. So much easier. I can just throw this in a Ziploc bag. I can seal it up. I'm not even going to seal it up all the way. I want a little air to get to that if I need it. But look, that's going to store, well, not with a stamp in there, so we'll remove that. But you can see that's going to store right there with my Stamparatus nicely. It's kind of nice to always have a chamois when you're working with your Stamparatus. I wanted you to see the nice thickness of the chamois. These are not little wimpy chamois. They're really nice and thick. That's what, probably a good 1/4 inch thick. And of course, since that one's going with my Stamparatus, I've got an extra one here. This is going to be great to either leave in another area with my other stamping supplies or in my travel bag, because yes, I do have a Stampin' travel bag. So guys, there is a great tip for you. Why not buy an extra chamois? They're only $8 here in the US, so they're very affordable. Go ahead and cut one up. That makes it $4 a piece. You can't beat that, right?